How do entrepreneurs stay motivated and creative when opportunities are drying up and AI commoditizes what once made us special? So when every client hears AI powered from a dozen vendors, how can we rebuild trust and distinctiveness in our value proposition? So I think AI is has actually not only opened doors but at the same time made the market very very buzz, a lot of buzzes, a lot of noise which is there. So how do you kind of stand out in that kind of buzz?
So I think to add to that perspective is not to be overwhelmed by assuming that AI will take over or you are running over all the opportunities. I think just like in all the previous industrial revolution, the change is you have to. I think all the successful entrepreneurs have been the one who have actually proactively embraced the change rather than feel challenged by them. Similarly, if AI, ultimately you have to look at it as how can AI be your enabler or can actually be enabler for your success, and can actually, how does it reduces the something boring part of your job which you were actually doing boring, monotonous or repetitive, and hence in a way it is almost freeing your management bandwidth as well as your strategy, giving you time for strategic thinking on what you should do, right? So if you were just doing what AI can do it, then basically you were just doing a manual execution, which is you has to move out. So you can
Mm.
also maybe AI can actually be your best friend to ensure it is actually automating or help you automate part of the job, but the value or the differentiation which you bring to your client can be so different that actually you can charge possibly even a 2x or a 3x more profitable deal. And in fact, today you see the most successful companies are who have even less than 50, less than 100 employees and are still generating very high revenue. So you should see that AI actually is a disruptor or an enabler which is actually helping you totally break away from your per employee revenue or your per person revenue to a totally, it can help you accelerate and move to a product based innovative solution.